Very good. So I got 1, 9, 6, negative 16. Skip a line, draw a line. And then I need a number to put in the box. Well, if you don't have a calculator, the number in the box has to be a factor of 16. So that could be plus or minus 1, plus or minus 2, plus or minus 4, plus or minus 8, or plus or minus 16. That's about 10 numbers to try. Okay, but we would also have to be backtracking a lot. So pick your calculator up and just enter it. And then hit graph. Positive 1 and negative 2, right? That's enough. So come over here and put positive 1 right there. So we already know what the answers are. There's one of the roots. I'll know when I see this on a test that you got the number off a calculator screen. That'll be okay with me. Now we need to learn to use the reduced form. It's like we do this anyway. We take some big number, we divide it by something, it gets smaller. We divide it by something else, it gets even smaller. We divide it by something else, it gets smaller. And every time we divide, what happens? Repeat after me, it got smaller. Stick negative 2 over here in the box. Look, they're all positive. For there to be a 0 right here, we had to do a negative number. Well, they're all positive. We have to have something to subtract over here. Bring the 1 down. And there I got 0. Put a check by it. That's one of the roots. As soon as you get down to 2 numbers, you know it's the opposite of this one, is the other root. Now, in the craziness of the world, God in His wisdom, this equation up here, it doesn't matter. All 3 of those numbers go. So you can do them in any order you want to. We could have done negative 8 first, and it would have worked. I mean, maybe it seems like it wouldn't, but it would. And you never want to go back here because we want to keep reducing, because on some of these here in a second, we're going to have to do the quadratic formula with all the leftovers. Because maybe we get either imaginary or irrational answers. We'll be back.